okay? Is it alright or still Perth is still better? Which one do you like?
I like Melbourne, but like I like Perth.
It's not like a real answer to them. Thank you. Cheers, buddy. Good. Good. Good morning, people. Today is, what's the date today, buddy? You ready for war? Yeah, we're heading down to Melbourne Sports Centre right now. It is about 7:30 a.m. so we're gonna get some breakfast and then we'll see you guys at the event. And wish all the guys good luck at Legion and well, peace out. How many guys? Mine. Oh yeah.
I'm spending money like I just got paid. $100 bills, tell them keep the change. Come on. And pop a bottle, about to make it rain. Let me give you something now to celebrate. Come on. Get in there. And if you're wondering why I move the way I do, I just feel so good, good, good. 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 I just feel so good. I see the world through my thrift store shades. Rose-colored lenses and a fake gold frame. Come on. Playing old rock songs on an air guitar. Posing for your picture like a superstar. Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
And if you're wondering why I move the way I do, I just feel so good.
It's alright, yeah.